Alright, here we are, part 2 of the video. We're going to go ahead and shoot this to the Hooter Shooter. This is the second part, talking about the 28-inch bow, Carbon Spyder 30s, both of them, for the E-Mod here, which is 28 inches on a 2-cam, and the A-Mod, which is the number 3-cam. And we're here at Extreme Archery in Manassas, Virginia with Bobby Norris, and I'll let him talk a little bit about the cam design.
Okay, basically you got a 2-cam and a 3-cam here. Everybody wants to know about the speed difference, the wall, and how the draw cycle is on both of them. Well, as you can see, the difference in the mods when you hold them up here on your 3-cam, it's a lot smoother mod. It's not as aggressive. The hump is a lot less. On your 2-cam here, same draw length, 28, your mod's a lot higher, a lot more hump, so you have a lot more what they call draw force curve. Draw force curve is where your speed comes in. That's why when you switch from a A-cam to a 2-cam, you get that 10 feet a second difference. Now, as far as your draw cycle goes, when you draw both of these bows, we're going to draw them back both in the Hooter Shooter and kind of show you a little bit. But the mod on the 2-cam will build a lot more. So if you have a bad shoulder, not so good. If you have a bad shoulder, you should go with the 3-cam with the A-Mod. It's a lot smoother on the draw. The wall is going to feel the same on both of them. It's just the breakover is different, and that's how you get your speed. Now let's go ahead and draw back the 2-cam. You can see as you draw the 2-cam, the mod and the hump right here is at the peak. It's getting ready to break over. Now, the peak on the 3-cam, when we draw it back, you'll notice this piece here will not be as steep. The steepness of the draw force curve is where the speed comes in. Now the bows at full draw, they're both 28 inches, both 67 pounds. Now we're going to go ahead and shoot this one. I'm going to pull this bow out, put the 3-cam in, and show you the draw force curve on it.
While Bobby's setting that up, the first part of the video we showed you chrono speeds on these as we shot a bunch of different shots. I think the max we got out of it was about 12 feet per second between the 2-cam and the 3-cam, but on average it was about 10 feet per second.
Average will always be about 10 feet.
So, and that's with identical setup on both bows.
Now on this cam, you can see the hump here is not quite as aggressive, so your draw force is going to be a lot smoother, but in the result of that, you're going to lose some speed. So as the peak of the cam comes back, now you're at the point, and this is a lot more flatter here. It results in a smoother draw as the cam comes over and not as aggressive on the curve. Sound-wise, the bows are going to sound the same. The performance of the 2-cams are going to be about the same. The 2-cam might perform just a hair better because it's in the longer draw curve. And usually your cams don't whip as bad when they're in the wrong. It means your knock point isn't as bad.